to someone of your choosing, to whom would you give it, and what message or meaning would you want it to carry for them?
Now let's think linguistically and semantically. The first sentence tells us that Quiapo is not only a place of deep faith and enduring tradition, but also a community shaped by the work of its people. And so, if I were given a chance to give the Black Nazarene merchandise from Plaza Miranda, I would give it to those people who are behind the Traslasyon, the Hijos del Nazareno and Hijas del Nazareno. Because they are the group of people who are securing our safetyness, our solidarity during Traslasyon. And during that time, we feel safe, the warmth, we feel the faith, we feel the devotion that we have in a safe place because of these people. And I want to give that Black Nazarene merchandise because ang buhay nila ay nakasalalay habang tayo ay binibigay natin ang debosyon natin para doon sa buong Nazareno. That will be serve as their guide, as their reminder kung ano nga ba ang purpose ng ginagawa nila as Hijos del Nazareno and Hijas del Nazareno of Quiapo Church. I know this my answer will not be sound as pageant, Patty, but my answer is from my heart. We are celebrating the Black Nazarene, the Traslasyon. Let's talk about what we are celebrating right now. Because at the end of the day, Traslasyon or the Black Nazarene merchandise simply telling us that in our struggles and hope, there is always God who will always see at the end of our destination. Thank you so much.